Hi. In this short guide, we're going to be creating a front end using Firebase Studio for our workflow or agents in n8n. So there have been lots of concerns and a lot of frictions for most people who use n8n. So they are done with their workflows, but now they want to host it, so want to create a front end for it. And they struggle with it most likely, right? So we're going to have Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio is similar to Lovable, but has quite a lot of features as well, where you can easily build backend, front end, web apps in just one place by chatting. So we're going to create a very basic newsletter function or newsletter tool that takes the newsletter email from users, and then sends them an email from time to time. So very basic to showcase how to use Firebase Studio to create your own front ends of edit and workflow. So we're going to quickly try Firebase Studio or log in, create an account if you have one. So I'll do that quickly. All right, so we are in. So we are going to send a prompt in here. So I'll copy and paste the prompt I already have. So I'll paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. So what this prompt basically is saying, or what we're trying to do, is to create a very sleek hero page, just like in a it was one landing page where we have the heading says get one free edit automation. You can change it if you want to, and the subheading, then the field for to take the email address, and then we have subscribe and click it and tell it what to do. So you can easily change this to what you want the front end to feel and look like. So once we're done with the prompts, we click on prototype with AI, and so it does this magic and back end. So wait a while for this to complete. So yeah, it's done. So we have this color. You can change color combination if you do not like it, but you can just go to it right now. And yeah, pretty much that. So prototype this app. We're good. And it's the all right, so we have this here. So this is how this looks like. So you can of course go back to the prompt to describe changes you need to make on here as well. All right, so we have this. So next, we want to return back to n8n to complete the workflow. So as I mentioned, we want a user to impute an email address here, subscribe, and then receive the email and then send the email to the person, and of course update the list here. So you have to create sheets and include subscribers here, and then every new email the subscribers will have them under here on this workflow. So we need two things first. So we need so we're going to have Google Sheets, Google Sheets, create sheets. Do this now. Then we'll have email. That's Gmail. Right. So send a message, and we are done here. So webhook. So webhook basically allows us to either get, post, or whatever HTTP method or request that we need from external apps. Right. So we'll need post because we need to receive. So what we are receiving into the n8n webhook is a post. And then we'll have to change this. I just put it to email. It's easier to copy and respond immediately as soon as it's known executes. Respond immediately to that. Either you can do this in production URL or test URL. Anyone's fine. So I'll just click on test for now. And that's pretty much that. So I think that's all. Email, no, to get us notification. The more advanced, advanced components, advanced settings here, but for now, this is very okay for us to use to do this. So we'll go back to have to write the prompt here. So the prompt will definitely not make use of this simple um HTTP URL request that we've just copied, and I'm going to paste the prompt I already have on this particular chat box. So what this prompt is saying, when a user clicks on the subscribe button, the application should send a post request to the following URL, which is what we just copied from the n8n workflow with the email in the body of the request. So we're good. We'll send this and let the Firebase Studio, do its thing. So it is already trying to work that. So just wait a while. Okay, it's done. So let's test this. So we'll have to start. Yeah, we have to start this running. Okay, let me delete this now. Start this. All right, so triggering it, we would say make trust and we click subscribe. Welcome on board the subscriber and send an email to, okay, email has not been sent yet, but let's see if we got that. So yes, we got that. And we, let's do this. So yeah, so we'll see trust and inquiry in the email just received. I'm not sure we had set up this. Did we do this? No, we did not. So there's no addition here. Okay, so to do this, we'll have to, this is for setting up the spreadsheet. We'll have to do operation, sorry, hold on, documents, show within documents, get role. We want to, so we want to update role. Yeah. So I already created this newsletter and of course change this to one to one sheet one. Yeah, this is it. So okay. All right, so subscribers will have to pass in. So this is it. So you have to drag the email here. So JSON. Oh, sorry, I deleted this. Right. Yeah, so I have to copy this back. Yeah. So each time there's a new email gotten from the Firebase front end, it's going to update here and they will see that on here. So let's try it once again. Execute the flow. I'm going to go back to Firebase Studio and do the same and do subscribe. So it is completed. I will go over here. Oh, there's an error somewhere. Let's see where we went wrong. Um, all right, I think our issue is coming from here. So not update rule, the operation should be append rule. Yeah, correct. So yeah, this should work now. Rulings are updated, refresh. It's fine. Yeah, so let's do this again. Yeah, let's do this again. So head over here and upload this and subscribe. Done. We should see this working. Completed. Let's see. Correct. So we have this already appended here. Just to confirm, put a different email. I am trust teacher. And I put it here. An error. Oh, we have to do this again. So yeah, it stopped. So I have to execute it again. So do I am teacher. And yes, successful. Let's see. Yeah, completed. And yeah, so we've done this. Now, the second is for us to send an email to those subscribers. So, it's Gmail, send it a message, connect. So we'll drag because we did earlier. So we're going to look for the mails in the body and we drag it sent to, sorry, yes. Subject welcome to n8n, email later. Spell that right. Yeah. Hi, welcome to n8n sample news. All right, so that is done. So execute this again, and I'm gonna do create trust, subscribe, fine. So check the email if it has come. Yeah, so I got it 0 minutes ago, just now. I sent from so simple, right? So this is just basically a sample just to demonstrate how you can create your front end to interact with your NSA workflows or agents or whatever you're building with NNA. It's very simple, so you don't really know how to create front end code, JavaScript or React or whatever you have. You can easily plug in using Firebase Studio. So yeah, let's see how you can explore this. Any question, you can comment below and I'll try my best to assist you with it. So yeah, experiment and see how you can utilize this to build full stacked agents.